Good morning, guys. It's October 23rd, a Wednesday today, and me and Denver is at home, and somebody else is at home. Special guest here today. Levi is home as well. He didn't go to school because yesterday he woke up with a fever, and I just didn't want to take him to school just in case he was miserable. I wanted to watch it, and then today he still has a fever, so I called the doctor so I can get him for an appointment, a checkup, just to see if he has strep, because his voice is really hoarse and his eyes are so swollen. And he's like super swollen, his eyes. He's looking like he got hit with some major allergies. And so I'm gonna take him in today. Ouch, pick up Carter. Today is crazy. I'm making some baby food because Denver had ate all of his butternut squash and his pears. So we're gonna make some more of that, and I also got some apples, but I don't feel like making that yet. And yeah, we're going to, pick up Carter and then go to the doctor. All of us. Don's busy working, and he has a closing around the same time that I have to go take him to the doctor. That's the only time they had, so. Alrighty, just wanted to update you guys on what's going on today. Wish us luck. I hope he doesn't have strep throat. I hope he didn't catch it from me. Most likely he did though, so that's what it is. Kids get sick from you, or you get sick from them. And then you pass it on to each other. Say hi. Bye-bye, Denver. Say bye-bye.
Stop it. It's Denver.
Is Denver?
That's Denver.
Hello, guys. So it is 1:20 right now. Me and Levi and Denver in the car. We are loaded up to go pick up Carter from school, and then right as soon as we get Carter, then we gotta head straight to the doctor's for Levi's checkup. I just wanted to see if he has strep throat, because if he does have strep and he caught it from me, then he's gonna need antibiotics, and I need him on it ASAP because I don't want Denver to be sick. But I hope he isn't, because earlier Denver ate his food and he kind of threw up a little bit. Like maybe he overate. Hopefully that's the case and not because he's sick or anything. He feels fine. So yeah, I had cooked some baby food, like some butternut squash and pears, and I left it on the stove. I had to put Denver into the crib for a little nap, but he would not go down today for a nap. So I finished blending all that up. I stuck it in the freezer. I mean, this is a productive day today. And Don's little sister is coming in town with her entire family, her husband too. So I'm going to make woodball whey this weekend, and I hope I have time to vlog it, because I really want to show you guys how I make it. Anyways, it is a beautiful day out. If I want to take the kids out today, it would be a nice day to take them out. It's like 77 degrees. It's like perfect. There's like some sun, there's some, wind. It feels good. But the allergies here are ridiculous. As soon as I go outside or smell the air outside, I sneeze. Like instantly. So that is that. Just wanted to update you guys exactly what's going on. So I've gotten better. I'm still on antibiotics, because you have to take 10 days in a row to finish it up. I'm still feeling I'm feeling good. No more fever and all that. But Levi really is just looking weird, just so swollen. Like I think it could be allergies. I don't know, but it could be strep throat. So I just wanted to be safe and not sorry. Oh, great. We're here at the doctor's office. Well, the doctor's. And Denver's over here. And we got this little meow kid right here. Oh, meow.
Mom, I just want to sit right here.
You want to sit right here? We'll sit in that chair right there.
I want to sit right here. sit right here.
So we just left the doctor's office and I have to pick up medication because Levi caught strep. He caught strep. Oh, I knew it too because the kids just would not leave me alone. Okay? And Don's working and they were just all in there with me while I was so sick. Now he has strep and it's probably just gonna pass throughout the entire family. It's just ridiculous. But Denver won't. They said normally Denver won't have it because at his age he won't have it. So. All right, so me and Carter's gonna be working on some Halloween projects. Carter, what you got, Carter? You got your Halloween.
I bought.
We got some pencils and this bag of Halloween toys.
All of the toys.
So you have 10 kids in your class. You need 10 of these bags.
Right.
We're gonna open this up.
And then, yeah.
I opened 4 bags. Now, Carter, you have to help Mommy put this in there.
Grab some eyeballs. Get some stupid markers.
This is do this for your kids in your class. 10 of them. So hold on. Let's count it out. See what we got. 1, the little knees. 2, 3, 4, 5.
Probably the most for my 7, 8, 9, 10.
So count it out.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Put it in. Oh, you dropped one. Good job. So these are the witch's brooms that I am making. This one looks like it could have better days, but this is it. How cute is that? All ready for the fall. I'm gonna show you how I make this though. All right guys, so I found out an easy way to make this. Okay, so the bag is standard, kind of long like this. You need to cut it short a little like that. And this is the bag that goes inside. So you're gonna need 2 bags when you make this. You need one outside bag and then you need the inside bag. And the inside is the one that has the gifts and stuff for the kids in there. Make sure everything is kind of down so you have some room, because you're gonna need to cut like these little zigzags down there. And then I just pinch it together like this, and then I cut and have like this in here. Okay, now this bag, open it up. So open it up like this, and then push this down so that it comes down like a V, like so that you can cut all the way down. So you need to shorten this as well, so shorten it like 1 inch and then cut all the way down, and it'll save you like
My ball is back here.
a lot of time. Okay. You guys see me doing it? Then, when all is done,
I want oil.
I got one more squiggle. So then you just open this up. It's pretty messy. Levi just woke up. And then you just put this bag inside of it. Pinch the bottom a little bit so it goes down. And then you stick your pencil
Where did you put this in?
inside of the bag.
Where did you put this in?
Okay, girl. And then you just tie the bag like that. And it's a witch's broom. Very simple. And I'm tying it. Voila, how cute. And that's that witch's broom with the pen. So, alright, I got a game for Carter as well. Sheets and ladders. We are going to start. Look at how excited he is. Levi is still swollen, bubbies.
It's my game.
Okay, let mommy do it, okay? I'll help you out.